Good morning, children. Now we are welcome to English class. Okay. Now, in previous class we have started our second lesson. Yes or no? What is our second lesson name, children? Tell me. Second lesson, the case of missing the register. The case of missing the right, children. Till where we have discussed. See, here the class is in which class? It is a story, mystery story. It will be, that means in this story a puzzle will be hidden. That puzzle have to be solved. Okay. Here one class is there. That class is standard 3. Okay. Third class is there. Who is the class teacher? Usha. Who is the class teacher? Usha. Okay, the class students will be helping to this Usha for what? For take the attendance daily. Okay, the students will be helping the teacher to take the attendance. Okay, now this Usha came to class on Monday. It is a Monday morning. Madam came to class and wished the students good morning, children. And the students wished her good morning, ma'am. And the madam told that before we begin our lesson, let's take the attendance first. And she asked Simon to bring the register. Who is he? The name of the boy is Simon, to bring the register. Usually, where the madam will keep the register, children? On the top shelf. Okay, top shelf of the cupboard along with the students' books. Madam will keep the register. So, Simon have to bring the register, and another girl she called, her name is Devi. Okay, she told Devi to count the students in the classroom present today. Okay, and see, in second from last paragraph, Simon got up from his desk to bring the register. Okay, Simon got up from the desk to bring the register. He stood on the tips of his toes and stretched the top shelf completely. Okay, what he stood on the tips of the toes. That means like this, tips on the toes, and he searched for the register on the cupboard, and he then checked the shelves below. That means he didn't find the register on the up shelf, and he checked below shelves also. After looking everywhere, he said, I cannot find the register, ma'am. That means the register is not there. And look carefully, Simon. It must be there. The register must be there. Once again, see, like that the madam told. And Simon searched the shelves once again. The register is not there, he confirmed. Okay, the register is not there, he said surely the register is not there. Meanwhile, Devi counted the number of students in the class. Ma'am, there are 23 students present today. 2 are absent. She said, how many students present? 23 students present. And how many absent? 2 students are absent. Okay, who told this? Devi told to madam. And just a minute, Devi, let me help Simon look for the register, said Usha. What the madam is telling? Just a minute, Devi. The register is not there. Let me help Simon to look for that. She looked for the register on the shelves but could not find it. Madam also couldn't find the register. She also looked for the register in the shelves. Strange, she murmured. Okay, strange, she murmured. What is the spelling of murmured? What is the spelling of the murmured, children? M-U-R-E-D. Murmured. What is the meaning of it? Spoke in a low voice. Okay, murmured means spoke in a slow voice. Okay, you will talk with your friends while the class is going on, like that. The madam murmured. Where could it have gone? Okay, what the madam is telling? Where could it have gone? Ma'am, maybe it is inside your table's drawer, said Vignesh. Another boy, what he told Vignesh? Ma'am, it could be in your table drawer. Once check it. Usha quickly looked inside the drawer. No, it is not there either. Okay, here also it's not there. She said worriedly. Okay, how she said? Worriedly. Now worriedly. See, worried. W-O-R-R-I-D. Worried. Okay. What is the meaning of worried, children? Troubled. Troubled about. Okay. Troubled about the situation. Troubled about the situation. That means the madam here, she is troubling about the situation. That means she is worrying about it. See, in your books, it have been given here in green boxes, children. Okay. Now Vignesh told like that. Ma'am, who helped you with attendance last week? Asked Devi. Now what Devi asked? Ma'am, who helped you in attendance in last week? Now Vignesh and Brinda said Usha. In last week who helped? Vignesh and Brinda. Now I remember. The principal called me as soon as I began taking attendance. Okay. Now the Usha madam got remembered that the principal have been called me. I have begun taking attendance. So I asked Brinda to do it. Okay. While she was taking attendance, the principal sir called her and she gave that work to Brinda. Now she is asking Brinda. Brinda, did you take the register home by mistake? Okay. The madam is asking the Brinda, did you take the register home by mistake? Brinda said, no ma'am, I do not have it. I gave it to Vignesh. Okay, what the Brinda is telling? Another person is came now. Brinda. What the Brinda is telling? Brinda also telling, no ma'am, I am not having register with me. I gave it to who? Vignesh. Now see, just then Usha heard a voice from the far end of the class. Far end of means end of the class, so far. Okay, I am sorry ma'am, it is in my bag. I kept it in by mistake. It was Vignesh. That means the register is with whom? With Vignesh it is. By mistake the Vignesh kept the register in his bag. Okay, now the Vignesh is telling the register is with me. Sorry ma'am. Okay, the puzzle is here is in this lesson where the register was and how it have been gone. Okay, the puzzle has been solved or not? As it have been solved because the Vignesh told that it is with me. Okay, who helps the Usha madam to solve this? Who gave the idea, children? Ma'am, who helped you with the attendance last week? Who asked this question, children? Devi. Yes or no? At once, Devi only asked this question to the madam. Then the madam got remembered that principal sir called me and I gave it to Brinda. She asked Brinda and Brinda told that I gave it to Vignesh. Finally, the register was with Vignesh. Okay, children. See here in this box it's have given 2.2. Have you ever lost any of your belongings? Yes or no? We will lose our belongings. Yes. You may not lose your belongings if you take care of them properly. Do you agree? Yes, we have to agree because if we are careful about our belongings, we will be not able to lose our things. That's why yes, we need to agree these children. Okay, and turn your pages studio to 16. Okay, page number 16. See children here. Tick the correct answer. The mystery in the story is about. Okay, what is the mystery in this story? You need to tick correct answer. They have been given 3 boxes. How the register how the attendance register went missing, how Simon misplaced the register, how Brinda took the register home. Did Brinda took the register to home? No. How did Simon misplaced the register? No. But the story is about what? How the attendance register went missing. That means we need to keep the tick mark in the first box, children. Okay, and next one, see. Next one, see. Who gave Usha the clue to solve the mystery? Who gave the clue to Usha? Devi. Yes or no? What the Devi told? Madam, who did you help to take the attendance in last week? Then only the madam got remembered, no? That's why Devi helped children. See, take homework for 2.4. Okay, do this homework 2.4 and 2.5, children. Do these two exercises as your homework and send it to me in WhatsApp to me. Okay, children, this is about today's our English class, children. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you.